Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how can you add text to a video in Capcut app. So let's start up the process. Open up your Capcut app, then select any video from your gallery. Then tap on third option text. Then tap on first option add text. Now you can see you are able to add any text in this video. Type here Now you can easily adjust this text on anywhere. Then tap on tick. Then you can see that this text is added to your video. Then tap on export to save your video on your gallery. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.